Hi Frameworks friends! You may remember our collaboration with Sandals Dunns River, where we fabricated the artwork in guest rooms and public spaces. We found some images of some of the phenomenal fabrications done by Team Frameworks and thought we'd share some with you. Let's start with the acrylic cloud swirling behind the sushi bar of a Japanese cuisine. Our CNC machine worked its magic and created these whimsical creations, which we transformed into stunning golden clouds that resemble kumo clouds from ancient Japanese culture. Let's move on to the fanciful flowers hanging delicately from the ceiling. Here's another angle. We fabricated hundreds of flowers and sculpted each and every petal. Our team finished these flowers with a bang, supplying all the materials needed for a successful installation. In the frame world, we printed and framed this stunning triptych of a cherry blossom archway. We did a similar fall-inspired triptych with autumnal shades of yellow. They're glossy and look absolutely elegant with the plexi flowers hanging from the ceiling. Next up are these aluminum ceiling panels we've talked about quite a few times in the past. They're whimsical and botanical, with different shades of rust, forest green, gray, and white. This cafe was transformed into an absolute forest bungalow, and we're obsessed with it. We're extremely proud to have worked with Sandals over the past 20 years, and absolutely ecstatic to see all of the finishing touches being done at Sandals Dunns River. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.